Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to copy Excel numbers without formula. Open the Excel file. There you can see that the data is with some formula used. After that, select the numbers to copy, right-click on them and choose Copy. In another cell, right-click and in Paste Options, select the option Values. This will paste only the values but not the Excel functions. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.